In this video, I will show you how to switch to professional account on X, formerly known as Twitter. So first of all, you have to open up the application. Now on the application's main interface, you will see all sorts of tweets that are made by people using this application. So what you have to do is that you simply have to tap on your profile icon that is present at the top left corner of your screen. Now on your profile, you have to tap on profile. So once you're in your profile, you will see an option that says edit profile. So you very simply have to tap on that. Now you will see an option that says switch to professional right below your birth date. So you have to tap on that. Now you will be asked a couple of questions. So you very simply have to tap on agree and continue. Now select a category that best describes your account. So for example, I will simply select education and tap on next. Now you have to select whether your account is for business purposes or whether you are a creator. So feel free to choose whatever you want, but I will simply choose business. Then you have to tap on next. Now you can customize your profile, explore profile spotlights, topics and more connections, but I will simply skip it for now. And everyone, by doing this, I have easily switched my account to a professional account on Twitter. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.